Imagine a world where people use coins as money and pizza is everything. Let's say there's only one pizza in the entire city. That pizza would be extremely rare and incredibly valuable. Now imagine chefs start making more and more pizzas. Suddenly, pizza isn't rare anymore, and when something becomes common, its value drops. That's one way inflation begins. Now picture this. Everyone suddenly craves pizza, but restaurants are still making the same amount. Now, demand is high, but supply is limited. So what happens? Prices go up.
Another scenario. What if fewer pizzas are made? Maybe ingredients get expensive or harder to find. Even if demand stays the same, there's less pizza available. So again, prices rise. Let's take it further. One person tries a pizza, loves it, tells everyone. Now the whole city wants pizza. Restaurants try to keep up, but ingredients, rent, and labor all cost more now, so they raise prices. Now the government steps in. Instead of fixing supply, they create more coins. At first, people feel richer, but the number of pizzas hasn't changed, so more money chases the same pizza. Prices go up again. And if more coins keep getting created, things spiral. Prices rise faster. Money loses value. That's hyperinflation. Eventually, people stop trusting coins and switch to something else. Inflation isn't always bad. If your income rises with prices, you're fine. If it rises faster, you're ahead. But if it doesn't, you fall behind. In the end, we're all just trying to afford our slice. So don't just save money, invest it. Because over time, value grows. And yeah, sometimes inflation gets a little too cheesy.